Dropshipt AI Shopify Store Builder. Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to create a Shopify store using AI. The first thing you want to do is create your Shopify account, and I'll be leaving a link in the description that you can use to get started for free, and you'll only need to pay $1 for the next 3 months. Once you have created your account, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. I want you to go over to the left hand menu option, tap on apps, then you're going to tap on all recommended apps and you're going to select Shopify App Store. After doing that, you're going to tap on the search bar at the top and you're just going to type in Dropshipt. So you can see it right there, AI Store Builder, and you're going to tap on install. After selecting install, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you're going to tap on install once more. After selecting install, you'll be redirected to the app dashboard. Once on the app dashboard, all you'll need to do now is tap on generate complete store, or you could choose to generate a product page for existing store. Keep in mind that you won't be able to do either one of these options fully for free, as you'll need to go on their paid plan. So let's say we were to tap on generate store. All you'll need to do is paste in the product link. So I'll go onto AliExpress. Let's say this product. We'll copy the product URL. Then we'll go back into our store. So let's do that real quick. And we're going to paste the link right there. Then tap on continue. After selecting continue, you're going to give it a few seconds while our store is being created in the background. While our store is being created in the background, we can scroll down, and from here you can see that it is free to use to generate stores, and you can see $29 per store imported to Shopify. So that means that the store that it is creating right now, if you would like to add it onto your Shopify, you'll need to pay $29. So you can see it is generating right there. Once it is completed, I'll show you how it looks, and from there we can continue the tutorial. You can see right here, we'll now be able to select the photos that we like to use. So we're going to select the photos, then tap on continue. After doing that, you could change the primary and secondary color, but I'm going to leave it as is. Once you're finished and everything is to your liking, you can see how it looks right there. So you can see a preview. And we could also tap on open preview store, and this is how our product page looks. So you can see right there, it does look stunning, and it's as easy as that to create a Shopify store using AI. So it is definitely worth it. If you want to create a Shopify store and you don't have the time, you can simply pay the fee and you'll be able to do it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button